Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating my front porch for fall, but before we do that, there's a little bit of cleaning we need to do. So we're going to start off with that. If you're new here, my name is Veronica and I make videos for mamas and homemakers alike in all things cooking, cleaning, and decorating. If you're into that kind of content, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below. It's totally free for you and it helps me out so much. So let's get started.
We don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
So this is the front area that we are going to be decorating today. There's a few things that I need to do before we get started, but I wanted to give you guys a look at what it looks like beforehand. So this table over here desperately needs to be redone, but we're going to use it as is for this season. I've got some planters over here that need some tender love and care. And this black and white checkered is now turned gray, but I'm going to go ahead and wash that and still use it for this year, just because I'm trying not to spend an incredible amount of money for the time being. I also have this cute little planter here that I haven't actually put flowers in a while. I'm not sure if I will this time either, but we definitely have some cleaning up to do around here to get this area ready for fall. To start the day off, I'm going to clear off the porch. I want to have a clean slate before I begin decorating the space so that I can really allow my creativity to shine through. I have a general idea of what I plan on doing with our porch, but I'm always surprised by an idea that I come up while I'm decorating.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
Once everything is cleared off, I'm just quickly going to go ahead and sweep up all the debris. We live at the end of a street, so we have a lot of wind blowing, dust, leaves, you name it, right onto our porch area. I decided it was actually a really good idea to be as thorough as possible doing this, since there were leaves and stuff tucked under the ledges and just about everywhere.
Set my world on fire.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. even in my wildest dreams.
For me, there is nothing better than fresh flowers in front of my home. So now that the leaves are all cleaned up off the porch, I'm gonna go ahead and plant some fall flowers in these white pots. I absolutely love these throughout the seasons. My husband is primarily in charge of the exterior decor, but he disagrees with the importance of decorating for fall. So for this season, I am totally in charge of making it look cozy. So originally I went hunting for mums to fill these pots, but sadly I could not find them anywhere. And I went to 3 different stores before I decided on these little guys here. I'm not sure if they are just out or maybe they aren't going to sell them here, but regardless, I was super bummed not to get mums for my front yard. And another fun fact about me, I am horrible at keeping any type of plants alive, and the only way they will last is if they are watered automatically. So my husband installed these irrigation lines for me in the spring, and they make it so much easier so I can keep our house festive and beautiful and I don't kill our plants. So I definitely recommend maybe some irrigation lines if you are anything like me. Tell me down below, do you have a green thumb or are you like me and do all of your plants die?
How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you.
So I grabbed this black and white plaid doormat at Hobby Lobby last fall, and I think it has held up extremely well. I actually threw it into the washer and it got it cleaned up and it looks great. There is a little bit of discoloration from the sun, but that can be expected. I think that this will actually work out for at least the next year before I will have to replace it, but it is one of my favorite pieces for our front porch. So now for the festive fall decor. I'm using this old table to display a fall vignette next to my front door. I have this on my never-ending list of projects to refinish, but I have a ton to do before this makes the top. So that will happen another time. For now, it will work. I'm also going to be using this galvanized bucket that says Farm Fresh Pumpkins. I grabbed this at Hobby Lobby last year and I absolutely love it. It has become a staple in my front porch decor for the past couple of years. On top of this table, I'm going to use a floral arrangement that I put together last year and a couple of my faux pumpkins. And I'm also going to use some more pumpkins to fill the fresh pumpkin tin. Overall, I'm super happy with how this is turning out, but when the fresh pumpkins are in stores, I'm going to be grabbing a few to finish up my porch decor. I just love the look of fresh pumpkins to make it even more cozy.
Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
And the last thing that I'm doing for today is hanging my fall wreath. I just love the way this one looks with the white pumpkins, burlap, and pine cones. It just screams fall to me, but it does it in a beautiful farmhouse way. It's a little warm out here, but we have finished up in the front and I just really love the way that everything has turned out. I just love this wreath that I picked up at Home Goods a couple years ago. The white pumpkins are really just, they're speaking my language. And over here, I tried to incorporate a little bit more of the whites versus the oranges, but still have those pops of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and head inside and cool off, and I will see you all in another video. Bye.